Hello students, this is Mrs. Nilima Gite from Department of Information Technology, Kekewa Polytechnic, Nasik. Welcome you in the session of Introduction to Java Programming Language. After end of this session, the student will be able to differentiate between procedural-oriented programming and object-oriented programming. Student will also be able to learn different features of Java. In today's world, there are two types of programming languages are used. That is procedure-oriented programming (POP) and object-oriented programming, that is OOP. These are some differences between POP and OOP languages. POP languages supports linear flow of data using functions. OOP languages supports non-linear flow of data with the help of object. POP follows bottom-up approach, whereas OOP follows top-down approach. In POP, code reusability does not allow, whereas in OOP, code reusability is allowed. Data is less secured in POP. Data is more secured in OOP using class concept. The example of POP languages are C, Pascal and Fortran. Example of object-oriented programming are C++, Java and Python. These are the structure of program used in procedure-oriented programming and object-oriented programming. On the left-hand side, the program structure of POP is used. So in this, main program consists of different functions. On the right-hand side, the program structure of OOP is used, where it uses data and function into a single unit, which is known as class. What is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language. It is also called as general purpose or high-level programming language. This language developed by Sun Microsystems. It is a write-once, run-anywhere programming language. The language is used for developing various applications like desktop and mobile application, big data processing, embedded systems, and so on. Now, who developed this Java language? So, it is developed by James Gosling. Sun Microsystems formally announced Java at Sun World Conference in 1995. JDK 1.0 version was released on 23rd January in 1996. Now, take a pause and think on question why Java programming language is so popular nowadays. Write down your answer in your notebook. Oh, you wrote the answer. Okay, we will discuss why language is so popular. Because of different features of language, it is popular. These are the features of Java language. Now, let us see one by one feature. First is simple and familiar. Java is a simple language because it supports all the syntax used in C and C++ language. Object-oriented. Java is called as object-oriented programming language because it supports OOP concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, data encapsulation, data abstraction, etc. Platform independent. Java language does not depend on any platform. Here, platform means the operating system. If we execute Java program on different platforms, the program will give same output on different platforms. It indicates that the Java program does not depend on any platform. Java is a secure and robust language. Now, why Java is known as secure? Because we can develop virus-free applications or systems using Java language. It is secure because of no explicit pointer concept. The programs run inside a Java virtual machine sandbox. Then it uses a bytecode verifier. Why? The language is a robust language. In simple words, robust means strong. So Java is robust because of strong memory management, lack of pointer concept, and automatic garbage collection concept used in Java. It also uses exception handling and type checking mechanism. That's why all these points make Java robust. Now, what is architecture neutral? Java is architecture neutral because there are no implementation dependent features. For example, size of primitive types is fixed. Even if we use a 32-bit architecture or 64-bit architecture, the primitive data type size is fixed in both architecture types. Portable. Java is portable because it allows you to transfer Java bytecode to any platform. It does not require any implementation. High performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreted programming language because Java uses bytecode. It is an intermediate code which is created when Java program is compiled. Now, what is distributed? Using Java, the distributed applications can be created, and these applications are created using RMI, that is remote method invocation, and enterprise Java bin concept. What is multi-thread? So multi-threaded means more than one threads are executed simultaneously. So the main advantage of multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. All the threads share a common memory space or area. Now, dynamic language. Java is a dynamic language because it supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. So all these are the features of Java, and because of all these features, Java is a popular language. Thank you.